Hello, my name is Oksana and I'm going to do micro lesson number 7 based on one of my lesson plans. Please welcome everybody. So, thanks class for such an effective participation about improving pronunciation. Great. I like it so much. One more time. Thank you a lot. So, let's move on. Who can tell or read for us the exact meaning of the word accent? Okay, Tom, please. No worries, don't be shy. I'll give you a hand if you need. Good. Nice, thank you. Elena, you want to add? Yeah, go ahead, please. Perfect, yes. Anyone else? No? Okay, so to sum it up, simply put, an accent is a way of pronouncing words for people in certain areas, countries, or even regions of one country. Okay, why it is crucial to work on our pronunciation? Yeah, Helen. Absolutely correct. It can help us. Yeah, it can help us sound more naturally. So, yeah, good. And helps understand other people better and without extra effort. Yeah. Chris, please. Yeah, come on. Nice point. Yes, it increases our self-respect and self-esteem. Yeah, right. Very nice. Nicholas, please. Yes, right, that's correct. Make it easier to communicate with native speakers. This point has a right to exist. Thank you. Any other opinions? Tom, okay, you're so active today. Good role model for us. Yeah, really. Yeah, to find a better paying job. Yeah, it really could be. So, that's awesome. Thank you very much for your efforts. Good for you. We all want to be understood, right? But to be successful in this, we need to notice, analyze, and work on mistakes, right? But at the same time, don't forget that who does nothing doesn't make any mistakes. By noticing them, we remember them well, and by correcting them, we improve. Our accent can be influenced by many factors. It's our native language, the lack of an ear for music, or even age. So we're working hard, right? And the listening practice is important. Why? Because we can't produce sounds which we can't hear. What can really help us? Visual and voice accompaniment of words that are difficult to perceive and understand. And of course, mouth position. It really works. Our tongue, teeth, and lips will give us the opportunity to pronounce certain sounds. So, let's check how successfully you can discern one sound from another. Please follow my link. Okay, but first let me remind you the difference between long E and short E. For providing the long E, we must use our lips in a short smile. Sheep. Short E we pronounce quickly with a slight raised tone. Ship. Let's try all together, okay? eat, it. Sheep, ship. Sweet, switch. Good. Very nice. Thank you. So let's start. You've got around 10 minutes for practicing the dialogue, and don't forget about recording devices. Break a leg. Okay, students, you can see the screen, and on it, one of the many dialogues presented on this PDF format. This dialogue, as you can see, allows us to work out a long sound E. This E. This sound can contain a lot of difficulties. What we should do next? You get in a group of two and using your personal recording devices. Record your voices reading these dialogues by roles. Readings not for me. After that, we're going to check correctness together. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching me.